tried for several years to conceive, and it wasn't happening. I suspected I had endometriosis, and as it turns out, I'm pretty sure that's what was preventing us from having a baby.
We had both male and female factor issues that were happening with us. I'm of advanced maternal age, and my husband had had a vasectomy, so we were unable to take care of that ourselves, so we knew that we needed some additional help, and we did a lot of research and settled on HRC.
We tried for about 3 years on our own to get pregnant, and we asked my gynecologist to recommend a clinic, and she recommended Robert Bustenfar's office for us to come visit. Robert Bustenfar's qualifications and the fact that he internationally speaks at conferences was a big factor in that.
We had a set of identical twins in addition to Luca, so our case was a bit complicated, and Dr. T was extremely right on with every call that he made. I felt like I was in the best care possible, and he guided us perfectly along the way.
It was just a great experience from start to finish. I had a consultation with Dr. Feynman, and we hit it off right away. Dr. Feynman tells it like it is. He doesn't sugarcoat it. So if he thinks something might be a bad bet for you, he's going to share that with you. His truth is his compassion.
They walk you through the process. They make it very understandable and easy, and so we just felt extremely comfortable, like we'd known them forever.
Everyone cares about your outcome. They're with you during the good times, but they're also there with you during the bad times.
Everything's so organized that you just feel confident in everyone's abilities. The background training that all of them have, they're board certified, internationally well known. They're just well versed in anybody and anything that's out there.
Just knowing that I did have a team of people working with me that I could count on. If I ever had any questions, I could call them, get a call back the same day. It made me feel secure and made me feel cared for.
I felt comfortable, and I felt like I was getting the right care to make this thing work.
I just felt positive and like this is really supposed to be, and and here I've got a beautiful baby boy to show it.
I got a call letting me know that it was a positive pregnancy test, and my reaction was pure joy.